Let's take a moment to talk about how to use the hands-on notes. There will be one set of hands-on notes for each chapter that we cover. I want to point out that these are not the entire chapter, it's just the hands-on exercises. You will still need to read the chapter. The other information there is important, but these notes are just about the hands-on exercises which are part of each chapter. I have chosen, for example, chapter 2 here, but as I say, there will be a set of notes for each chapter. So when you get into the hands-on notes, this is page 210. You'll see a box like this, and when you put your mouse over it, it'll tell you my notes for that box are skip. For example, we're skipping the stuff using Adobe Bridge, so you can skip that section. You should still read it, but you do not need to do those hands-on exercises. I do want to point out that the hands-on exercises are important. That's why the notes are here, so I want you to do the exercises, but there are some which you can skip. Jumping ahead to page 225, my note here is there's a shortcut, which is the Z key. There's also a note on this page at the bottom, so heads up for those as well. This is a note about the other shortcuts. It doesn't relate to any particular step, but it's a note about this page. And finally, I'll show the note here on page 226. Don't need to print, save a tree. That's it. So be sure to look at the notes before you do the hands-on exercises for each chapter.